Hey everyone, today we're diving into some of the latest and greatest in AI technology within the text-to-video and AI video world. There's a heap of exciting developments in this area, and we are going to touch on a few that we can all use as of today. So let's jump right in. Magic Video V2, a text-to-video marvel. First up, let's talk about Magic Video V2 from ByteDance, the creators of TikTok. This new text-to-video model is a significant leap forward from previous versions. It's fascinating to see examples like a water-formed walking figure, Hulk with VR goggles, and a purple-robed rabbit in a fantasy setting. When compared to existing models like Stable Video Diffusion and Pika, Magic Video V2 stands out with its vivid colors and detailed animations. Lumere, Google's AI video game changer. Next, we have Lumere from Google Research. This tool is stunningly realistic in converting text to video. Imagine a dog driving a tank with sunglasses or a speedboat on a sunny mountain lake. Lumere makes it happen. What's more, it can convert images to videos while maintaining the original style, creating animations that seem lifelike. Act Anywhere, merging animation and reality. Stanford and Adobe's collaboration, Act Anywhere, is something to watch out for. It combines a subject's movement with different backgrounds in a seamless manner. For instance, a duck swimming is transposed in front of a bonfire and the background syncs with the duck's movements. This tech shows where AI video is heading, towards more cohesive and realistic integrations. MuseLab, Unity's animation revolution. Unity's MuseLab is breaking new ground in animation. This tool lets you generate text-to-human animations and tweak them to perfection. It's a more advanced and versatile alternative to tools like Mixamo, offering greater control over the animation process. Google's AI innovations in Google Chrome has introduced some nifty AI features like tab organization and AI-generated themes. These updates make browsing more efficient and personalized, showcasing how AI can enhance even everyday tools. And that wraps up last week's exploration of the latest in AI technology. From groundbreaking video generation tools to innovative uses in Chrome, the AI landscape is evolving rapidly, and it's an exciting time to be part of this world. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on these technologies.